Hello, Rangers and SignalFire Cloud users. Let me show you this feature called Charts that you can find over here on the top menu bar of the web app. This feature is quite useful when you want to pull in multiple values from different rangers all onto one single chart, so you can correlate different measurements between different rangers, or even within a ranger. You can now include or create your own chart within a given ranger. So click on Charts here. You can click New, and then simply configure the data points. This is where you're going to go and pull the different rangers that you would like to grab data from to go onto that chart. So I'm going to filter here because I have multiple rangers in our cloud account. I'm going to go and grab these two rangers. You can just hit Control click if you want to select, or Shift with the mouse to select multiple. I'm just going to add these two right now, and then going to view my selection. So over here I have these two rangers, and these two rangers have all of these metrics. Okay, I have 2 pages, and you just go and pick the metrics that you would like to include in your chart, in your power chart. I'd like to have, say, this pool flow instant. I'd like to have that. Say the filter pressure, the pool temperature. Then I'm going to grab from the pressure ranger. I'm going to bring in also the pressure measurement of that pressure ranger. So I'm going to apply now. Okay, so I have selected multiple metrics from different rangers, and there you go. You can click on the different plots to read the value. You can see down below over here the legend, and for that given window, I'm looking right now a window that is the last hour. You can zoom in and zoom out. If you have like a scrolling wheel on your mouse, you can go in. That's for real time. Let's say you want to go like 14. Let's go like 14 days. Okay. So we're going to be plotting now 14 days worth of data from different rangers. A couple useful things that you can do as well. You can annotate as well the plot, so you can see I've put some note to that data point here, and the way you do that, you simply click on annotation. You pick a data point for which you would like to put a note. Cold weather, say. And now you can have on your chart some useful notes for a given data point of interest. You can play with the brush as well. So the brush is, you're going to paint a window. And as you can see on the bottom, right there on the bottom, observe the bottom part over here, that window that you've selected will have some analytics, min, max, average, delta, and so forth. Again, I can move the window around as well. Pretty useful if you want to analyze something when you're comparing notes on different measurements, different rangers. Very useful there. We're going to also clear the brush as well. The other useful thing is like you can go into settings and then modify the type of chart, the pens, the color of the pens, and I'll have a more detailed how to use the PowerCharts. This is just a quick introduction of what it is. Now this chart, I'm gonna go and give it a name. So I forgot to give it a name. So this will be my pool monitor, right? Enter. Just gonna go back. It now says PowerChart pool monitor. Back. I'm gonna save it, and now I can go back to my charts. If I want to pull the chart back, just click on view here, and you can have as many power charts as you want. You can clone them, modify them, and in this case, this is a real-time power chart that I can go and pick at my leisure the time frame of that given chart. There you go. Pretty useful. Monitor the metrics of one or more rangers onto one single chart. Thank you.